Russian President Mr. Vladimir Putin has made a dramatic announcement, one that can shake global security debates. He says that Russia will not hold back if threatened and is all ready to respond with full military power, including advanced nuclear option. You know what this means? Well, let's break it down. Putin has scrapped Russia's earlier promise that the moratorium on deploying ground-based intermediate and short-range missile. Let me simplify this for you. Russia had agreed not to place certain nuclear-capable missiles close to its borders, but now that restraint is all gone. Why? Because Moscow feels that NATO and the United States are constantly expanding military pressure near Russia's backyard. This is also a signal to Donald Trump, by the way. Putin is effectively saying that if Washington wants to talk tough, Russia has plenty of leverage on the table. And it's not just words. Russia continues to test hypersonic missiles, modernize its nuclear arsenal, and show that it can match US power in every single domain. But while Moscow issues these warnings, the war in Ukraine is not slowing down either. Ukrainian forces recently targeted a Russian S-400 air defense system, one of Russia's most prized weapons. This sends another message, right? Russia may talk big about its nuclear strength, but it's still taking heavy hits on the battlefield. So the picture is really complicated here. On one side, you have Putin. Putin is turning up the nuclear heat, trying to signal strength to both Trump and NATO. On the other side, you have Ukraine. Ukraine is punching holes in Russia's defenses, proving that even most advanced weapons, they are not invisible. So the big question now is this Putin's strategy to force negotiations? Or is it a dangerous step closer to nuclear brinkmanship? The world is watching and the stakes could not be higher.